Hello, this is Keith from British Isles Productions, welcoming you to another random unboxing video. Today I am looking at the DJI Neo drone, which is a self-flying drone device by DJI. And even though I'm a filmmaker, this is actually my first drone. I've never really worked in the area of any drone photography. Obviously it's a very good tool for filmmaking, but this one, as I said, this is a very much an entry level, something I've been looking at. It's been available for about 6 months at the time that I'm filming this video, and it first came to my attention because I was looking about a year ago at another device by a company called Hover Air, and they were doing a device called the Hover Air X1, which is very similar to this in many respects. The only real difference being the Hover Air is foldable, so it's a little bit more compact and pocketable, if you like. But other than that, the sizes are more or less the same. This is still a very small, very light drone. And the beauty of this, as I said, it is self-flying and self-tracking, but also you can use it via an app on your smartphone, or indeed any DJI controller. So it does allow you to be part of the DJI ecosystem as well if you have this. So let's just get into the unboxing and I will tell you more as we go. So as you can see, it is sealed. Perfect. Now, one of the reasons that I've, if you like, started looking into this was because this is a great drone. It's very specific and it's a great drone for travel and capturing things for content creators, and also if you want to do things like hiking or running or biking, etc., those kind of things, which I do a little bit of all three. It's quite handy for capturing those sort of things. I've ordered this for a specific reason, which if you subscribe and keep following the channel, you'll find out more about the specific reason I've bought this. But another reason is I also do intend at some point of actually trying to shoot a narrative film on this, just as a bit of experiment, really, a bit of experimental filmmaking. So yeah, as I said, watch this space for more. Now, I just bought the basic version here, which is just the drone. You can get packs that come with controllers and extra batteries and all sorts of things. I decided not to do that at this stage because I didn't want to spend too much money and find that I wasn't going to use something. So this, again, another reason for going for this over the Hover Air X1 is it is about half the price of the Hover Air X1. And the specifications are actually slightly better. So again, between that, the specifications, this shoots in 4K 30 and has a 15-minute battery life, which is slightly better than the 2.7K 30 and the 10-minute battery life on the Hover Air X1. But they did come out with it first. So first off, in this little box, you get a couple of spare propellers, which is quite interesting, and also we have a little tool here, screwdriver for propeller change and maintenance there, and then you get a USB-C to USB-C cable for obviously charging the device and transferring video files, which is great. And then in this bag we have some bits and pieces, some warranty, instructions, quick start guide, all of that sort of thing, all packaged up nicely there. And what is that? Is that some stickers? I think these might be some DJI stickers. Yes, that's exactly what they are. So anyway, some bits and pieces there, but the drone itself, let's have a look. So as you can see, it fits, literally fits in the palm of my hand, so it's a very small drone. It's very lightweight. I think this comes in at 135 grams is what it said. It's basically got two buttons, so you've got a main power button at this end, and then you've got a mode selector button, which you can do things like hover, follow, fly around, track, all sorts of different things there. And then you've got a cover there which is protecting the camera itself, which is on a single axis gimbal. Here is the battery, which is removable, and as I said, you can actually get additional batteries for that. But yeah, as I said, I'm going to have a go with this, and I will put up some more videos of how I get on, and a little bit more about what I'm trying to accomplish. But there you go, the DJI Neo self-flying drone, selfie drone if you like. But yeah, I did research this quite heavily. There are obviously lots of videos out there which demo the device and go into much more detailed specs, etc. on it. But if you have got any questions for me, then please feel free to put some comments down below, and I will do my best to answer the questions and get back to you. And as I said, if you subscribe and like and follow the channel, I will be doing further videos on this where you'll actually see the drone in use. So please do like, subscribe, share, etc. And I will speak to you at the next unboxing video, whenever that'll be. Anyway, thank you for your time. Bye for now.